Solve simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations can be solved in two methods, either by substitution method or by using elimination method. We're going to use substitution method now. We have a few steps to follow when we using substitution method. That is, step 1 is solve for x or y in one equation, which means that get x is equal to or y is equal to, or x alone or y alone in any of the equations. Now step 2 is to substitute that in other equation and solve. Step 3 is to use that value to solve for the other variable, which means if we find x, use that to solve for y and vice versa. Now let's check the equation here. I am going to name this as equation 1 and equation 2. So this is going to be my equation 1 and this is going to be my equation 2. Now let's check the step. Solve for x or y in one equation. So I have to get x is equal to or y is equal to, or x alone or y alone in any of these equation. So I have to check which one is easier for me. For me, easier one is the second equation, because I have y alone in that equation. So I am going to use the second equation here for that. So I am going to rewrite the second equation, that is 2x plus y equal 12. The reason why I use this equation is that this equation has y alone, and what I have to do is just move the 2x. So I am going to do that. So that is y is equal to 12 minus 2x. Now I am going to name this equation as equation 3. Now I am going to substitute this in other equation and solve. So I am going to rewrite this equation 1, that is 5x plus 3y equals 31. I know the value of y now, so that is 5x plus 3 times 12 minus 2x is equal to 31. Now I am going to solve the brackets here, that is 5x plus 3 times 12 is 36 minus 3 times 2 is 6x equals 31. Now I am going to rearrange this to find the value of x. So that is 5x minus 6x is equal to 31 minus 36. I move 36 to this side. So 5x minus 6x is minus 1x is equal to minus 5. So x equals minus 5 divided by minus 1, which is equal to 5. So this is the value of x. X is equal to 5. Now I am going to step 3, that is use that value to solve for the other variable. So I am going to substitute this value of x in equation 3 and find the value of other variables. So I am going to rewrite equation 3 here, that is y equals 12 minus 2x, that is y equals 12 minus 2 times, I know the value of x is 5 now, so 2 times 5, so that is y equals 12 minus 10, it's y equals 2. So I have the values for x and y now, so x equals 5 and y equals